I am Connor, so as you can see, I'm going to be down that way. Okay?
Okay. Let me go. Let me go get the place. Hang on.
See, if I might fall, that would be
Okay, I'm going backwards, so make sure I don't crash. Oh, I guess I'm... Turn! Turn! Woo!
As you can see, I made it, and I actually survived that run. It was very good.
Awesome!